Morning, my dear friends. Hope you're doing good. So, today we are going to start with a very wonderful session from Power BI. Today is my first session. So, let us begin with some of the basics on Power BI. So, guys, you see, you need to understand the Power BI is a business intelligence tool, and it has been now used worldwide. So basically, it has some system requirements that you need to understand. So the system requirements is the Power BI should be the Windows version should be 10 or 11. You see, some of the system requirements for Power BI is your system should be above 10 or 11. The Windows should be 10 11. The processor should be i3. The RAM should be minimum of 8 GB. The memory, SSD, and generation should be 10 or 15 or above, approximately. So basically, the Power BI has, the Power BI desktop. You would have heard about Power BI desktop, and then it is also used as Power BI as service. Power BI service. So what is the difference between French Power BI desktop and Power BI service? So Power BI is desktop is a desktop based model which you get is a free version. You can download it and use it for your ETL activities. And Power BI service is a paid version. It's a cloud based version. It requires browser and domain ID. And then if you are also using for Power BI desktop, you know the system requirements now. I already explained to you. So Power BI was launched something in 2015, and it is a strong capability business intelligence tools. Especially when it was launched, it was used as a data science tool, but now it is used in business analysis, business intelligence as well. And if you see here, the main components of Power BI, if I talk about some main components of Power BI, main components of Power BI. So I can say use it is Power BI as desktop, Power BI as service. So you see, these are basically the two main features, Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service, which is almost 90% used, and this in day-to-day activities. The other part component of the main components of Power BI includes is the Power BI paginated report and Power BI embedded. So this is Power BI paginated report and Power BI. So you heard Power BI Desktop, the Power BI servers for the Power BI paginated report, and the Power BI embedded. So these are the basic four components of the Power BI, and the Power BI Desktop and Power BI service is mainly used, and Power BI paginated is used to to do the print activities in different formats, different layouts, and Power BI embedded is used to move your dashboard to PPT or and this is usually existing in the cloud based model. So this is this is the introduction about basic introduction about the Power BI. This is the Power BI desktop almost and Power BI cloud. We heard Power BI paginated report and Power BI embedded is the cloud version. And the main components of the Power BI desktop, I would say, is the Power BI desktop is the ETL, the data modeling, the DAX, and the report. So this is the friends, the basic introduction about Power BI. And in my next class, I will explain you about the Power BI and software, how it works and how it is. So please join my session and subscribe my channel and stay tuned to my channel for more informations on data science. Thanks for watching.